Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. So XRP continues to grind higher here in the very short term. The white scenario remains the leading scenario for now, especially as long as we're holding above micro support. I can now even adjust this micro support area slightly, but as you can see, it doesn't change much. Price has now reached this larger and quite important resistance area, which I highlighted over the last few days. It's a very important one, yeah, this resistance area. Talked about it many times. It's located between $2.69 and $2.84. Why is this resistance area important? It's specifically important because this is, first of all, the area, where we have a lot of previous support around 269, yeah, previous swing lows from September, I think maybe, or even from August, roughly here, August, September, several times this area was tested. You might remember the price formed basically double, triple bottoms. As I often say, these break usually because they are not a solid foundation, but price did have a chance to move higher, but it didn't. So we're now consolidating below and trying to break above. So I think the chances are quite good that we get this done. But please be aware, this is important resistance. It's not only that 269 level, it's also the level here, 284. That's the upper boundary line, you could say, of this resistance zone. Yeah. And this 284 level is the level where the selling pressure started to come in on the 10th of October. Very, very important. Yeah. So we had some selling pressure from there, and we need to get above it. And in between, we've got two fib levels. The upper one important there at 281, but the 271 level really central, really important. That is the 100% Fibonacci extension of the A wave to the upside, and that is an ideal target for the C wave. So we have an ABC structure, and in the yellow scenario, that means here 271 is the ideal target. Yeah, I talked about it over the last few days. The 100% extension is always relevant. So we're getting there, getting closer. Not saying this, not saying this will have to be the top there, but it's an area where the B wave can definitely form a top if it really wants to. But as I said before, as long as we are holding support, which is now at $2.50, the white scenario remains preferred. And in the white scenario, in which we're working on a possible impulse structure, this third wave should get at least to $2.87. Now, we're not seeing at the moment wild impulsive price action, I have to say, right? It's not really wild impulsive price action, so we have to remain on the side of caution. We haven't even broken out. We're simply trying at the moment. So support is clearly defined, resistance as well. The first ideal target for this third wave is at $2.87, the 138% extension, ideally even higher. But if we get there, then we can add support for this wave 4 and then also track this wave 5 to the upside from there. So we will always update support as we go along. For now, it's between 250 and 259, but there's no local top confirmed. But in this area, I would expect some resistance to show up. Yeah, I mean, if we just go through, even better. I mean, that would be even more in line with the white scenario. Yeah, but that's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out our membership. Also, feel free to follow us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.